Hello, boys. Hello, girls. Hello, teacher. Good morning. Let's count till number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Today we will be talking about amazing animals. We have some really amazing animals. We're gonna find out what are these animals, and the first animals that is really amazing is a bee, and the bee sound is like zzz. Then we have some fish, and fish start with letter F, and then we have some duck, and duck start with letter D, and the sound of the duck is quack, quack, quack. Lesson 2. We're gonna look at the picture and see what do we see. I see a duck, I see a frog, and I see a bee. Now can you tell me where is the bee? The bee is in the tree, and the frog is in the lake. Now, what about the duck? Tell me in the comments, where is the duck? Lesson 3. A dog can run. Now, before we get in the lesson, let's first read a few words. Run, swim, hop, and fly. Now, let's start. A dog can run. A fish can swim. A bird can fly. And a frog can hop. One more time, let's read the words run, swim, hop, and fly. We said before that we have amazing animals, but the most amazing animals is the ducks. Ducks are really super great. So right now we're gonna talk about ducks. Ducks are amazing. Ducks are amazing. A duck can run. A duck can fly. A duck can swim. And wow, ducks are amazing. Unit review. Bird, swim, run, frog, and fish. This was our amazing lesson about really amazing animals like the dog, the fish, the bird, and frog. And the most amazing creature is ducks. So that's it for now. See you with a great another lesson. Bye! Now let's make a quick revision about a few words. Let's say together pencil, book, crayon, chair. Chair. One more time. Pencil, book, crayon, and chair. Let's make a revision about the previous class. I have a jacket. I have a shoes, I have a backpack, and I have a sock. Jacket, shoes, backpack, and sock. Family's finger, daddy's finger, mommy's finger, sister finger, brother finger, and baby.